Okay, I got that irrigation ditch over there that's full of mosquito larvae, and I want to fly that drone. I'm going to put some of this product in these cups, fly the drone over to that drainage ditch, land it in the water, release the granules to kill the larvae, and fly that drone back to here. Got to get it up through these bushes and over to there. I have these release cups for the drone, which mount underneath there to fly the granules out for the mosquito larvae. The cups are now mounted on the drone, which will be flown over to the drainage ditch to release the bacteria granules to kill the larvae.